Hello everyone, welcome to Mayank Lawholic. In this video, we will discuss the top 1000 MCQs of Indian Penal Code. So let's get started from the question number 1. Which one of the following is the date of enforcement of the Indian Penal Code 1860? Correct answer is option D, that is January 1st, 1862. Section 1 of the Indian Penal Code deals with option 8, definition of crime, option 2, title, extent of operation of the code, C, title and jurisdiction of the code, and D, none of the above. Correct answer is option B, that is title and extent of operation of the code. Question 3, who prepared the first draft of the Indian Penal Code? Here the correct answer is option D, that is Macaulay. Question number 4, the draft of IPC was prepared by, correct answer is First Law Commission, and First Law Commission was headed by Macaulay. The preamble of the IPC 1860 aims to provide a option first, comprehensive penal code, B, general penal code, C, exclusive penal code, D, none of these. Correct answer is general penal code. Question 6, to which of the following is IPC not applicable? Options are state of Jammu and Kashmir, a foreigner committing offence in foreign country, and option C, committing offence committed on Indian aircraft flying over territory of Japan, option D, a foreigner committing offence in territorial water of India. Here the correct answer is option B, that is a foreigner committing offence in foreign country. Foreigner and foreign country, here IPC will not be applicable. Whether Indian Penal Code 1860 implies to an offence committed by a citizen of India outside India? Options are A, yes, B, no, option C, if the offence is associated and has nexus with another offence committed in India, option D, if there is a mutual treaty between India and the country in which the offence was committed. Correct answer is option A, that is yes. Question number 8. A, who is a citizen of India commits murder in Uganda. He is arrested in Delhi. He can be tried and convicted of murder only in Uganda, only in that country of which the deceased was a citizen, in any of the above in Delhi. Correct answer is in Delhi. Question number 9. A, who is a citizen of India commits a murder in England. He is found in Indore and arrested accordingly. Where can A be tried? Option A, at New Delhi, the capital of India, at Bhopal, the capital of MP, at Indore, where he was found, and option D, at any place in India. Correct answer is option C, that is at Indore, where he was found. Question number 10. A Spanish citizen who was residing in Paris instigated the commission of an offence which in consequence was committed in India. Option A is liable as the offence was committed in India. Option B is liable since the IPC also extends to extraterritorial acts. Option C can be held liable because the offence was to be committed in India, and option D cannot be held liable because instigation was not given on Indian territory. Here the correct answer is option A, that is liable as the offence was committed in India. Question number 11. Read the following. Indian courts have jurisdiction to try crime committed by an Indian in a foreign country. Statement 2. Indian courts do not have jurisdiction to try crime committed by a foreigner in India. Of the above, options are first is true and second is false. First is false but second is true. Option C, both 1 and 2 are true. And option D, both first and second are false. Here the correct answer is first is true and second is false. Question number 12. In which of the following situations would the Indian courts have jurisdiction? Statement first, crime committed by an Indian in a foreign country, crime committed by a foreigner in India, crime committed by a person on an Indian ship. Courts, first and second, first and third, second only, 1, 2 and 3. Here the correct answer is 1, 2 and 3. Question number 13. The Criminal Law Amendment Act 2018 came into force from, correct answer is option B, that is 22nd April 2018. Question number 14. The essential ingredients of a crime are, options are actus reus and mens rea, option B, actus reus, mens rea and motive, option C, motive, intention and knowledge, option D, knowledge, intention, action. Here the correct answer is option A, that is actus reus and mens rea. They are the essential ingredients of crime. Question number 15. Which of the following is not essential for an offence? Options are intention, motive, prohibited act, D, punishment for act. Correct answer is option B, that is motive. Motive is not essential for an offence. Question number 16. Which of the following is normally an essential elements of crime? Options, violation, actus reus, motive, will. Correct answer is actus reus. Question number 17. Actus reus is that result of human conduct which the law seeks to prohibit. This definition was given by, correct answer is Kenny. This definition was given by Kenny. Question number 18. Crime which do not require intention recklessness, or even negligence as to one or more elements in the actus reus are known as option A, vicarious liability, option B, strict liability, C, act of God, and D, force majeure. Correct answer is option B, that is strict liability. Question number 19. The maxim actus non facit reum nisi mensitria means common intention, group liability, guilty state of mind in crime, and wrongful motive. Here the correct answer is option C, that is guilty state of mind in crime. Question number 20. Crime is a option A, private wrong, public wrong, civil wrong, none of the above. Correct answer is public wrong. Crime is a public wrong. Question number 21. With reference to crime, response the following. It is a state wrong, it is a civil wrong, it is a private wrong, none of the above. Correct answer is option A, that is it is a state wrong. Question number 22. If actus non facitium nisi mensitria is a cardinal principle of criminal law, then which one of the following statements correctly reflects the above principle? Options are: mens rea is an essential element of crime and there cannot be crime without mens rea. Option B, criminal liability under Indian law always implies mens rea. Option C, to constitute a crime there must be actus reus and mens rea. Option D, actus reus is not always necessary to constitute a crime. Here the correct answer is option C, that is to constitute a crime there must be actus reus and mens rea. Question number 23. Which of the following maxim is related to mens rea? Correct answer is option B, that is actus non facit reum nisi mensitria. Question number 24. The principle of criminal liability actus non facit reum nisi mensitria was developed and adopted by option A, the equity courts, B, the Indian courts, C, the common law courts, D, none of these. Correct answer is C, that is common law courts. Question number 25. The actus non facitrium nisi mensitria implies that options are A, mere act or illegal omission on the part of the accused makes him liable under criminal law. Option B, mere guilty mind coupled with motive behind a crime makes the accused liable under the criminal law. Option C, guilty mind of the accused coupled with desire to give effect to the guilty mind is sufficient to make the accused liable under the criminal law. And option D, no act per se is criminal unless accompanied by guilty mind. Here the correct answer is option D, that is no act per se is criminal unless accompanied by guilty mind. Question number 26. It is the maxim older than the law of England that no man is guilty unless his mind is guilty. It was observed by Lord Arbinger in. Here the correct answer is R versus All Day. Question number 27. Mens rea is option A, guilty mind, proved fact, intention of the lawmaker, measuring mind. Correct answer is guilty mind. Question number 28. Actus me invito factus non est mens actus means the act itself does not make a man guilty unless his intentions were so. Option B, an act done by me against my will is not my act at all. And option C, the intent and the act both must concur to constitute crime. And option D, none of the above. Here the correct answer is option B, that is an act done by me against my will is not my act at all. Question number 29. In every statute, mens rea is to be implied unless contrary is shown. This view was expressed in options are Shiraz versus D. Rudson, R versus Dudley and Stephen, Harding versus Prince, and R versus Prince. Correct answer is Shiraz versus D. Rudson. Question number 30. For which of the following offence mens rea is not a requisite? Options are kidnapping, robbery, trespass, none of the above. Correct answer is option A, that is kidnapping. For kidnapping, mens rea is not a requisite. Question number 31. In which of the following offence guilty intention is not an essential element? Options are murder, theft, robbery, bigamy. Correct answer is bigamy. For bigamy, guilty intention is not an essential element. Question number 32. In which of the following cases the doctrine of mens rea is not applicable? Options are theft, murder, public nuisance, thug. Here the correct answer is option C, that is public nuisance. Which one of the following offence is not related to mens rea? Options are R versus Prince, Queen versus Tolson, Shiraz versus D. Rudson, and Barendra Kumar Ghosh versus Emperor. Here the correct answer is option D, that is Barendra Kumar Ghosh versus Emperor. This is not related to mens rea. Which of the following does not form a part of actus reus? Options are thought of conduct, result of conduct, circumstances as are specified by law, D. Conduct. Correct answer is option A, that is thought of conduct. Question number 35. Which of the following principle is least relevant for the criminal liability? Options are causation, contemporaneity, novus actus inventions, motive. Correct answer is option D, that is motive. Question number 36. The cardinal principle criminal law nullum criminum nulla poena sine lege means Option A, no crime or punishment can exist without a pre-existing penal law. A man is presumed to be innocent until proven guilty. Ignorance of law is no excuse. Option D, an act must be accompanied by a criminal intent to constitute an offense. Correct answer is option A, that is, no crime or punishment can exist without a pre-existing penal law. Question number 37. According to dash, a crime is a violation of a public rights and duties due to the whole community. Options are A, Sir William Blackstone, B, Professor Glanvin Williams, C, Sir Kenny, D, Sir Russell. Here the correct answer is option A, that is Sir William Blackstone. Question number 38. An act committed or omitted in violation of a public law forbidding or commanding it is crime. It has been said by option A, Stephen, option B, William Blackstone, option C, Henry Mine, and option D, Canning. Here the correct answer is option B, that is William Blackstone. Question number 39. An act forbidden by law and which is at the same time revolting to the moral sentiments of the society is called crime. It is said by option A, Keaton, option B, Austin, option C, Stephen, and option D, Patton. Here the correct answer is option C, that is Stephen. Question number 40. In order that an act should be punishable, it must be morally blameworthy. It must be sin. Which of the following made this observation? Options are Salmon, option B, Justice Krishna Iyer, option C, Lord Denning, and option D, Stephen. Here the correct answer is option C, that is Lord Denning. Question number 41. Quae facit per alium per se is the essence of one of the following principles of criminal liability. Options are joint criminal liability, vicarious liability, corporate criminal liability, strict liability. Here the correct answer is option B, that is vicarious liability. Question number 42. In some cases, a crime is constituted even though the act is not done with the guilty intention. These are the cases of, correct answer is strict liability. These are the cases of strict liability. Question number 43. Successful prosecution under criminal law means acquittal of the accused, discharge of the accused, conviction of the accused, punishment of the accused. Here the correct answer is option C, that is conviction of the accused. Question number 44. Which of the following is the correct sequence of stage in crime? Options are A, intention, attempt, accomplishment, preparation. Option B, intention, preparation, attempt, accomplishment. Option C, preparation, intention, attempt, accomplishment. Option D, preparation, motive, attempt, and accomplishment. In question number 44, correct answer is option B, that is intention, preparation, attempt, accomplishment. This is the correct sequence of the stage in a crime. Question number 45. Preparation of which of the following offences is punishable? 1. Waging war against India. 2nd, sedition. 3rd, murder. 4th, dacoity. Options are 1, 2 and 4, 1, 2 and 3, 1 and 2, 1 and 4. In question number 45, correct answer is option D, that is 1st and 4, which means waging war against India and dacoity. Here the preparation is punishable. Question number 46. Man is defined in option number D, section 10 of IPC. Question number 47. Under section 10 of IPC, man denotes a male human being of, correct answer is any age. Question number 48. In IPC, the word woman denotes to option A, the female above the age of 15 years, option B, a female above the age of 18 years, option C, a female above the age of 21 years, and option D, a female of any age including newly born female child. In question number 48, correct answer is option D, that is a female of any age including newly born female child. Question number 49. The word person under section 11 of IPC denotes to only male human being, includes a company or association of or body of persons whether incorporated or not. Option C, only female human being, and option D, only government companies. Here the correct answer in question number 49 is option B, that is includes company or association or of a body of persons whether incorporated or not. Question number 50. Homicide cannot be defined as killing of person in view of the nature of the definition. The word person in option A, section 13 of the IPC, option B, section 11 of the IPC, option C, section 9 of the IPC, and option D, section 7 of the IPC. Here the correct answer is option B, that is section 11 of IPC.